Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to unbox Quality Malai Pista Kulfi. Quality's Kulfi ice cream is made from denser and creamier milk with kulfi. The ingredients used in this ice cream are of the finest quality. Indulge in this ice cream for a rich and delicious treat. Now I am going to open it. So this is how it looks. It looks creamy and delicious. We can also get a very good smell and taste of cardamom. And I hope you guys can see the pistachio pieces there. Now let me taste. It was very tasty and creamy as I expected. So I recommend all of you guys to try this. It is a very delicious summer treat. Though it is similar to an ice cream, it tastes different and is denser and not light in texture. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.